just too frightened by the sound of it. Pieces of note fall down, but the letter said, it was good living with you. It was good. It was good living with you. It was good. Good, 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 good. Sitting around the house, watching the sun's gray shadows on the floor, searching for signs